Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry, I'm also struggling in English. We should work together in English, we should learn together in English, then our English upgrade from 0 in advanced level. Please watch this video till the end. I will share my experience, my tips, how I am improving in English day to day my life. Don't be stressed, I'm also with you, so I always share my experience, my tips, how I am improving in English. So English is just emotional language. If we have no idea how to talk in English, even we cannot share our emotions, share our ideas, share our knowledge. We cannot share. That is why English is compulsory in present in this time. That is why I want to learn in English, and every time I practice whenever I have the time. I practice and I want to talk in English. I always forget accent and vocabulary, coherence, everything I will remove by mind, and I just try to speak in English, just my real life experience. If we talk in a real life experience, English is English, we can speak in English, don't worry. So you can also try this way, this method, this technique. English is just emotional language. English is just a language. If we practice in daily basis, english um, English, we can improve in English. So you can see I am here on the I am here on the roof or in the roof. I'm confused what is right. Just I am on the roof and I am taking sun bath. Sun bath has amazing fact. If we if we sit under the sun give us sun give us what sun give us gives energy and hydrate our body and warm. That is why compulsory. If please, you can also mm, try sun bath. If you try if you sit under the sun, you will result after होइन. After you can see there is another woman, and she is a landlady house. She is 83 years old. She is 83 years old, but she has energy. She always wake up fast, and she is wearing ornaments, such as you can see here. She is comb her own hair, and I'm also watching her watching her. She says, what are you doing right now with me? So she says in Nepali, because we are Nepalese. That is why she talk Nepali. I am just she's right now saying she's saying, what are you doing this jar? So yeah, we are Nepali. That is why she talk in Nepali, saying, what are you doing right now? She's so humble nature, and she's 83 years old, and yeah, she's so confused. What are you doing right now? So I'm saying nothing, just I'm record this video. So I translate in Nepali. आमा, मैले केही गर्न लाग्ने भिडियो बनाउन लाग्छु. भिडियो बनाउन लाग्छु इङ्ग्लिस सिक्दैछु क्या So right now I'm says Ama. So I am recording video because I want to learn in English. I am improving in English. That is why I record this video. So she's confused. So she's wearing what you can see. She's so genuine person. She's yeah, and so you can see her environment. So lots of clothes are drying under the sun, and just I what you can see here environment you can see. No, this is the capital city of Nepal. Capital city of Nepal, Kathmandu. You know Kathmandu. If you know about the Kathmandu, please comment it. So you can see here, and you can see here lots of tanky, and you can see here Spanish. You can see here is Spanish, right? This is a what is this is, I don't know about this. And so this is a beautiful flower, right? So yeah, and you can see here environment. You can also here this is a lemon, right? And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I will come next video. If you like my video, please comment it and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Well, my communication skill is not good. It's okay, but I'm trying to speak in English. So comment it. If you judge me, if you comment it, I will improve next video. Please comment me. Without your support I cannot be read. So support is very compulsory, right? So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you soon. Have a good day, have a good night, whatever. So I will post night, yeah. So bye bye, love you, lots of love my side. Please, bye bye.